we look forward for you to visit our booth, and we will make sure you are going to have a very different experience. I think apart from the machine demonstration, which we usually do, we need to see also what would be right and meaningful and the value addition which we can do. So this time we have the people behind the technology available at our booth, and let's have a very I think a very meaningful talk on the various technology, what are the global perspective, where these business scenarios are changing, what could be the right investment for you, the right technology for you, and then obviously the return of investment, which is always meant for. So we are going to demonstrate the panel bender with a complete automation. We are demonstrating the laser cutting machine, the something which we are intending to produce in India. Obviously, the panel bender is completely made in India for the global market. We have our flagship bending machine, easy form bending machines, which is going to be demonstrated along with the complete software suite, right? So looking forward for meeting you, having a very interesting talk.